My name is Adam Graney. I'm co-founder of Gold Flamingo AI Solutions. We look to help small and medium-sized businesses with workflows and see where we can interject AI to make the businesses more efficient, ideally saving them money. I think it's a good assumption that most businesses want to do more with less, so they want to make their current team more efficient. And so that's where AI comes in and helps. It's not necessarily plugging AI into everything, it's more finding where AI is the best use case. We like to go in and find out the tedious, laborious tasks that people are doing in an organization, cut that time down to fractions of the time so that those individuals can then work on projects that they enjoy, which then supports the business making more money and being more efficient.
Working with Adam and Gold Flamingo was super easy and actually really fun. He really took time to be thorough and understand what each of the problems were that we were having. It started off as just a casual conversation talking about different pieces of our workflow, and from there he was able to really understand the process and see what each of our pain points were.
I came in and I had the assumption I was going to be working on like social media posts or something general in marketing, but Amanda came to me with a very specific problem that she had and a task that she spent hours on.
We like to communicate the benefits that our members are receiving to those members so that way they know the value behind their membership. So previously at the end of each week and then at the end of each month, I was going through each of our 10 social channels, tracking all of the posts and each of the members that was mentioned in those posts, the date that was posted and what channel it was posted on. With 10 social channels, that ends up being a few hundred posts in itself. That was taking me hours and hours, and it was very tedious and taking me away from actually creating other posts and other important materials.
So we had a great conversation. It had to do with working with spreadsheets, which is a great use case for AI tools. And so I went back, I designed the solution. I thought it would be great if we could get Amanda away from looking at spreadsheets altogether. And so I put a chatbot on the front end so she can interact with the spreadsheets very easily and get the data that she wants.
I went from spending a few hours on this each week to now spending about an hour. And it's just getting better and better the more that we keep working on it.
So AI can seem very overwhelming for businesses. They don't even know where to start. They don't even know the right questions. And so that's where the dialogue comes in and just hearing them out, understanding how they think about AI and where they might need a solution built. And so that's where we come in. And this is a ripple effect. Once we start finding out where businesses need help, we can implement solutions, and those solutions can get better and better. That's really about knowing where AI comes in specifically and strategically to make it as easy a lift from the business with the highest ROI and efficiency gains. This is what I love to do. This is what I'm passionate about, coming in, having a casual conversation, hearing about pain points, and delivering a good solution.